Hey everyone, this is Mr. Molo on Monday, May 9th, your directions for your distance learning day. So first thing you all need to do is do the attendance question for today so that I know that you are here. So if you go into it, pretty simple question. I am online and working today. So I'll give you a hint. The answer is yes. Okay. And then if you also look into that folder, there's a couple things in there. So if you need help with the lesson, there's still those videos there from last year that I made. And then there's a link. There's actually two links, one for the game and then one to where you'll submit your assignment. So if you click on that link, it'll come up with this game here. So Rags to Riches, you are trying to get to the $1 million. So this is all the radical stuff that we just got done doing. So you're going to click on the correct answer. It'll tell you if you're correct or incorrect. And then you'll see the money will move up then. So your goal is to get to the $1 million. And once you get to that $1 million screen, just send me a screenshot that you got to the $1 million and then submit the assignment. Unfortunately, if you do get a question wrong, so you'll see I was at the $8,000 question, it will make you start over at the bottom and go again. So now I'm back at the $2,000 question. There are 3 hints here. So if you use them all on one question, so the answer is not B, the answer is not D, the answer is not C. Gee, I wonder what the answer is. But you only get those 3 hints through the whole game. So if you use them all in the first question, then you kind of wasted them. Then you don't get them again on the other questions. So then you're just going to take a screenshot of that. And then there's an assignment right here, $1 million radical game. So then you would just submit your assignment there. And that is your assignment for the distance learning day. And then remember, the homework and the homework quiz are due tomorrow. As of right now, when I'm making this video on Friday, there's 10 of you done with the homework. So that means another 15 of you still need to do that. So then I would use the rest of the time today to get that homework done.